Hello, Victor here from Motor Matching Crewe. Today showing around this Audi TT 1.8 TFSI Sport, finished in black and powered by 1.8 litre TFSI petrol engine, delivering 180 PS and paired with manual transmission. TT offers dynamic and sporty experience that feels right at home on winding roads and weekend drives. From the front, we've got the iconic Audi grille and sculpted bumper, which work together with sleek xenon headlights featuring automatic range adjustment and LED daytime running lights add both style and safety. 18-inch alloy wheels in 10-spoke design do more than just look sharp. At the back, LED rear lights with signature indicators ensure high visibility, while a retractable spoiler automatically deploys for better aerodynamics. Despite compact shape, the boot is surprisingly accommodating for a coupe. There's enough room for a few weekend bags or your daily essentials, and split folding rear seats offer added flexibility. In the back, you'll find ISOFIX points for added child safety and compact seats that are great for occasional passengers. The rear bench folds down easily, giving you extra bit of room when required. Slide into the cabin and you're greeted by sport seats with supportive bolstering, finished in a mix of leather and fabric. Alcantara door inserts and aluminium inlays create modern driver-focused feel. The flat-bottom, 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel is both stylish and functional. From volume control to driving data, it puts everything at your fingertips. The star of the show is the Audi virtual cockpit on a 12.3-inch high-resolution LCD display, replacing traditional dials with customizable views, including full-screen navigation, media, and car information. You also have access to your DAB digital radio for your favorite stations. You can stream your music via Bluetooth, USB or SD card readers, as well as connect your telephone via Bluetooth, access settings and navigation. This has been a presentation of the Audi TT 1.0 TFSI. For more information, give us a call today.